So now we're gonna set up our 2-bucket method. We have 2 buckets because one is a soapy bucket and the other is a rinse bucket so that you don't get dirt into your car. So to do this, we put a dirt trap in each at an angle so that it suctions to the bottom and just lay it flat. Next, we are going to add soap to our foam cannon, which we are going to use to achieve maximum suds with our wash, citrus washing gloss, which we're using because this car is really dirty, so this will get the most dirt off possible. Shake it up, and then we will open our foam cannon. Put 2 big squirts in. You're gonna add some soap to 1 bucket, so just 1 big squeeze. Then you're gonna add your wash instruments into the bucket that you just put the soap in. We're putting in the pile driver wash mitt. It has smaller, shorter loops because it will agitate the surface more to get all that dirt off since this car is extremely dirty. And then we have a detailing brush that we're gonna use in the little nooks and crannies around the car where the wash mitt can't get to. So put those in. And then next, we're gonna activate the suds with our pressure washer gun. My shoes are wet. So now we're gonna pre-rinse the car to get as much of the surface level dirt off as we can before we start scrubbing.
Let me get down there.
Now that we've finished rinsing off the car, it's time for the fun part, foaming the car. So we are going to remove the pressure washer tip and attach our foam cannon. Now it's time to foam. So we're gonna use a boar's hair detailing brush to get into the little areas that our wash mitt might not be able to get to. So we're gonna start with that.
Body up and down on a wave. I like it the way I move. I like it the way I move. I like it the way I move. I like it the way I do. I like it the way I
So now we're gonna grab our pile driver wash mitt. It has smaller noodles, shorter noodles, which will be a little more abrasive on the surface than our standard chenille wash mitt. And we're using this because this car is extremely dirty, so we wanna get all the dirt off, and this will do it the easiest.
take it out. Turn my weekend upside down all the way. Ooh, I the way I move.
Now we're gonna put our pressure washer tip back on and rinse off all the soap. There's poop up here. So last step in the washing process is drying. We are gonna use our woolly mammoth towel. It is extra large, super absorbent, and it should be able to dry the car with just this one towel. So car is clean, wheels and undercarriage are clean. So now we're gonna hand the Jeep off to Henry to do the trim because it is looking pretty faded and needs a little love. So subscribe and like down below, leave us a comment with what you wanna see next, and we'll see you then.